Hello. So I have uploaded one video previously. As a part of my training program, I have to submit an assignment, and for that assignment, I have to upload one video on YouTube. So that was just a sample video for my assignment, and this second one is also for a sample purpose. So if you want to know more about this topic, I will upload a detailed video in future. So keep visiting my channel and subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification when I will upload a video. So in today's video we will be discussing about the basic terminologies used in a cam and follower. We have discussed the classification of follower, but while designing the cam we need to understand some basic terminologies which are related with the cam. So I hope you will like my video and you will gain something after watching this video. So today we will be discussing about terms used in radial cams. First, base circle. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile. Let us see in figure. In figure here, as we can see, this blue line indicate the cam profile. So the smallest circle from the center of the cam we can draw is here. So this circle is our base circle, which is indicated here as a base circle. Next, trace point. It is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. So basically trace point is a reference point which is used to generate the pitch curve. Here as we can see in figure, trace point is a center of our follower. So in roller type of follower, center of the roller is our trace point. But in knife edge follower, edge of the knife edge follower is our trace point. In case of knife edge follower, the knife edge represents the trace point and the pitch curve corresponds to the cam profile. In roller follower, the center of the roller represents the trace point. So in case of knife edge follower, pitch curve and a cam profile both are same. But in case of roller follower, both are different. Next one is pressure angle. It is the angle between the direction of the follower motion and a normal to the pitch curve. This angle is very important in design a cam profile. If the pressure angle is too large, a reciprocating follower will jam in its bearing. So as we can see in figure, this is the line of the follower and this is the normal to the pitch curve. So angle between the follower motion line and the normal to the pitch curve is known as a pressure angle. Pressure angle will be different at every point. Next is pitch point. It is the point on the pitch curve having the maximum pressure angle. So in previous definition we have discussed that pressure angle will be different at different point. So point at which pressure angle is maximum is known as pitch point. Pitch circle. It is the circle drawn from the center of the cam to the pitch point. So it is the circle that we can draw from the center of the cam to the pitch point. So this circle is known as pitch circle. Next one is pitch curve. It is the curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. For knife edge follower, the pitch curve and the cam profile are same, whereas for the roller follower, they are separated by radius of the curve. So while defining the pitch point, we have defined it as it is the reference point that is used to generate the pitch curve. So while rotating the cam, if we trace the trace point, the profile generated is known as pitch curve. And in case of knife edge follower, the pitch curve and cam profile both are same. But in case of roller follower, pitch curve and cam profile are different, and different between them is a radius of roller. Next one is prime circle. It is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam and tangent to the pitch curve. So the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam to the tangent to the pitch curve. Now we can say that for the knife edge type follower, the base circle and prime circle are same. But for the roller follower, base circle and prime circle
are different, and different between these two is a radius of roller. Next and a last terminology is lift of stroke. It is the maximum travel of the follower from its lowest position to the topmost position. So if we rotate this cam, follower will move vertically. So from lowest position to topmost position, this distance traveled by the follower is known as lift or stroke of the follower. Stroke of the follower is very important terminology while designing the cam profile, because while drawing the cam profile we require to draw displacement diagram, and for drawing the displacement diagram we require the stroke of the follower. So these are some important terminologies which is required to understand before going to design process of the cam. Hope you like it. Thank you.